Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 Gold and Bitcoin podcast for November 12th going into the 13th. Okay, we're going to start off with the S&P 500. We've been bullish overall since 3502. We've seen 3,451.75 to the upside. A lot of other bullish calls in here. Then we got bearish in the break below 69.1175. We saw 256.25 to the downside. That's on hold. Then the trade above 67.9750. I said projects us upward 120 plus. We've attained 103. That's going to be shaved to 110 now. We've seen 103 so far. If we were to fail back down through that line decently, that would warrant a decent pressure. That's going to come in at 67.4865 minus 87 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A further break below 66.8924 plus 26 per hour will project this downward 190 minimum, 320 plus maximum. A maintained gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above, but that'll be more effective once we take out 67.6250. Tomorrow has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. All right, in the gold, we've been bullish overall from 1183 on August 16, 2018. We've seen 3,214.3 per ounce. More recently, the trade above 39.7320, 40.7780, and 41.1060 warrant of higher trade. We've traded up to 42.1850. I also warned that decent trade above this line right here would warrant a strength, although I said that here, but I did not suggest leaning against it as a long. If we were to fail back down through it decently, that would warrant a decent pressure. That's going to come in at 41, 43, 30, minus 2.6 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And as a reminder, I had said that the bullish reversal that we left below here will likely precipitate a run for these highs plus. So we're starting we're 3 days into that right now. And finally, the Bitcoin rolled over today. We had left a minor bullish reversal below here. That is now negated. Been bullish overall from 16,275. We've seen 110,965 to the upside. A lot of other bullish calls in there until we broke below 124,228, which brought in 24,978 of pressure. And then the trade above 515 warrant of strength. We saw 7,385 before rolling over here. If we were to break above this formation right here, which is going to come in at 106,365, minus 34 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m., that will warrant a decent strength for 4,500 minimum, 16,500 plus maximum. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you have a good evening, and I'll see you on tomorrow's podcast.